Part 3. Dấu nặng. With this lesson, we'll learn how to produce the sound without sounding like you are getting punched in the throat. Okay, so I know that when you listen to this sound, you feel like it's very short. So your first response is trying to make it short. However, my advice is actually say the word, but try to not produce the ending sound. With that, it already helps you to shorten the word. For example, this one, I don't try to make it short. I don't try to like somebody's punching my throat, like ma, ma. No, I just make it a little bit shorter. Like instead of saying ma, I will say ma, ma. Okay? So when there are more letters at the end, your job is actually not to sound out the letters, but to shape them. For example, with this word, if there are more letters, for example, we have the word ma. I basically just shape the ng sound at the end, but I don't try to produce it. That's why when you listen, technically, you can't really hear the difference, but the mouth shape is different. Ma, 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 ma. Okay, so I still shape the ng sound over there. Another example that makes this a little bit clearer for you is if the word ends with a T. So for example, with no T is ma. With a T is mat. Can you see my mouth shape is different? First one, ma. Second one, mat. I shape the T, I just don't say mat. See that? Okay, let's practice saying these words. We have the first one. Okay, please don't try to be quạt. No, it's just quạt. Basically, shape the T, but don't pronounce it. Quạt. Second one we have hat. Hat. Same principle. Do not sound it out, just shape the T. Next we have nặng. Nặng. Then we have mặc. Mặc. Then mập. Mập. Next is mật. Mật. And the last one, sạch. Sạch. Alright, so remember, when pronouncing the dot, try to not sound out the last letters. Try to shape it, but shorten it up. Also, don't make it too short because it just sounds very unnatural when you speak. The final exercise to practice before we move on is we're going to try to say a sentence with only the dot. Our sentence is bạn mặc đẹp. We have bạn means you, mặc is to wear, and đẹp is beautiful. So the sentence is you dress up nicely. So we have again all the dots. Please don't try to be bạn mặc đẹp. It sounds like you're shouting at them, right? Keep it normal, keep it stable. Just make it a little bit shorter and do not pronounce the ending sounds. Bạn mặc đẹp. Bạn mặc đẹp. That's it. Thank you for listening. I hope you had a good time and I'll see you in the next lesson. Cảm ơn. Hẹn gặp lại.